First Alert Weather with Chief Meteorologist Haley Clausen.
All right, touching base on some of that shaking we felt not too long ago. The 5.5 magnitude earthquake was recorded at 6:32 near Coachella Valley. This is about 14 miles away from Ridgecrest. So in relation to the Coachella Valley, roughly 200 miles, really less than that. We certainly were feeling that shaking here in the Coachella Valley, at least a lot of us here at the KESQ studio. And this had a depth of a little over 4 miles. So really not the deepest of shaking, but upgraded again from a 5.1 now to a 5.5. Now when we're talking about weather, it was a hot day out there. 115 degrees is what was recorded in thermal, setting a record for the city on today's date. The previous record was 114 recorded in 2016. No longer the case, 115 moving in. The same temperature was recorded in Palm Springs, although the record for today's date in Palm Springs would be 118. Thankfully, we weren't dealing with that. But look at this view from El Paseo. Absolutely beautiful. Is getting that golden hour glow there. Very nice. Still very hot outside as well. So hang out on the back porch if you have a fan out there. Get some type of breeze going, because while there will be a breeze out of the northwest about 15 miles per hour as we head throughout this evening, we're not really dealing with a lot of wind at this point in time to help cool us off. Skies staying clear around the Coachella Valley throughout the rest of tonight. Same for tomorrow, and tomorrow the heat will be on once again. An excessive heat warning went into effect today at noon and remains in place through tomorrow evening, scheduled to expire at 7 p.m. So the heat sticks with us for one more day, but then the cooling trend will really be moving in. So on your Comfort Air 7-day, we're talking about the 90s sticking with us even as we head into the weekend. But to really get that cooler air here, we are going to be noticing a big change in regards towards our wind. The wind moving in on Friday, we're talking sustained winds over 20 miles per hour. So right now we're experiencing a little bit of a breeze in the evening hours. Friday, we'll really be noticing a difference, but it is bringing us the 90s. And check this out. We're not just talking about a drop in our afternoon temperatures, but our morning lows going down into the 60s as well. Some relief in the overnight hours, and I think that will be appreciated by everyone.